Okay, whoever's screaming needs to like not. It's my guys, but they're pets now. That's feels horrible, and I can attack them too. They were literally like my friends, and now they're just freaking. My God, what is wrong with the? Oh, oh my. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Fire Bunny, and we are resuming right where we left off last. We had just finished editing our character. As you can see, we have wings and we got a tail thing, and we kind of speak a obviously gibberish language. And basically, we are about to enter the tribal stage, as you can see down here. So let's go. All right, scrubbing animation. So I recorded these videos simultaneously from the last one to this one, so I still have the cough. So once again, I apologize for that. But here we go, guys. It took us what, like 2 episodes to get to the tribal stage. I don't know. Wow, look at this. Look at that. We got a fire pit going. With a roof over your head and fire at your fingertips, you enter the age of hand tools and drum beats. But beware, soon rival tribes will form across the globe. Be vigilant. Very nice. So we've got to be on our best guard, but it's alright, because we're good. You now command a burgeoning tribe of 3. You may select individual tribe members or a group to do your bidding. You must interact with other tribes to move your progress bar forward. Let's take a look. This is your progress bar. You must ally or conquer other tribes to advance your own tribe. These goals will help guide you through tribal life. Your first task is to dress your tribe in the new tribal outfitter. Click on your hut. Alright, let's do it, folks. Alright, let's see. Hello. Oh. Click on the hat icon to open the tribe member panel. Roll over your tribe member, then click on Edit Outfit button to enter the tribal outfit thing. Let's do it. Alright, let's go edit our what the oh my god. Oh my god, bruv ting. Bruv. It's a certified bro. Oh, we need a little protection there. No, just kidding. Likely, we do not need that. We can have little shoulder things. That is ugly. Ew. I can have chest plates. Are these like? Oh, are these like? Oh no, it's not. These like masks. Are there like? Oh, these are hats. Yo, bro, I'm just wearing a beanie that doesn't work on my head. Because, oh, why would that? Okay. What's this? I do not like that. Don't appreciate its presence for that matter. Kind of like this. It's a little funky, but it's nice. It's got niceness to it. This is me. Okay, that looks more like hair, which I don't want that quite yet, so no, thank you. Health. This one gives you good health. God, not that one. Okay, I just have to place it for a second. I need to get above him so I can actually see what I'm freaking doing. It just sits there. Doesn't even sit on my head. Wow, that is just sky. Oh my god, what is this garbage? Oh no, that is stinky. Oh no, it can't be that one if it ain't gonna fit. Like it. Not there. Wowie. I said, mate. Let's do that. At least it sits on my head. Nope, I changed my mind. Well, I've looked through all of these. Won't really. I don't need a mask, but I want this. Oh yes, I forgot abilities exist. Well, I think I want this because it has combat, which is good. Wow! Oh my! Ha ha! I hate it. Why are you here? Mustache? Are you serious? Oh no. That is bad. A ring? Can I actually add a ring? To what? No way. No. I couldn't. I want to add a mustache right here. Oh my god! No, that's ugly and stinky. I feel like I don't want any of these. Kind of suck. Yeah, I don't like those. I want to go and add more things to my body. Like, oh, this is a pack. I see. I'm gonna wear it on my back, as you should, with packs. Well, if I can find a reasonable spot for it, yes, that works. That actually, well, no, not quite, but I can fix that. I think. Well, now I need to make it smaller so it doesn't completely screw up. Well, it's not really noticeable otherwise, so that works. Cool beans. Alright, I think that's good for now. Alrighty, let's go do some tribal stuff. Okay, I don't need to be on this anymore. You can now move the camera freely around the world. This helps you check in on tribe members or groups of whom you have given orders. Let's pause for a moment and learn the basic camera controls. These controls allow you to zoom and rotate the camera. Your mouse wheel can also zoom and rotate. Let's try that. Let us try that. Lovely, lovely. Okay. Click on the hut. Bless you. Click on the hut icon in the mini map. There's no. I can't click on it. Can I? Oh. Portrait. Click and drag a box around multiple tribe members. What? Oh, I literally... Oh. Now that you know the basics, let's begin finding some food. When tribe member is selected, right-click on a tree to gather fruit or a wild creature to hunt. Let's get this. Maybe not. Alright. Okay, or not. Oh, I can... Oh, God, I see. Oh! Wait, do I get it? No, I don't get it. I'm confused. Wait, what? Oh, oh, wow. Wow. Very nice. Nice, come on back, buddy. Man, there's a lot of stuff around here. Whee! Wiener Schnitzel. Yum, 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 yum. Where's my tribe at? Let us eat a meal, children. I want to go attack them. Or can I friend them? What am I right now? I need to attack them. Yes. What's this? Beastmaster. Flying fish. Okay, whoever's screaming needs to like not. It's my guys, but they're pets now. That's feels horrible, and I can attack them too. They were literally like my friends, and now they're just freaking. My God, what is wrong with the? Oh, oh my, oh, rival tribe, yep. A rival tribe of nature dude has formed on your planet. Tribal chieftain leads your tribe. Your tribe can go into combat without its chief, but the chief is necessary for any social encounters with the tribes. Your chieftain also invokes any of your tribe's consequence abilities. To use your consequence ability, first select your chieftain, and then click on the ability you'd like to use. Well, where did the rival tribe go? Oh, silly me! Let's attack them. Let's do it. Foco loco loco loco. So we were the first, and you guys think you can just come over here and oh, I can attack this. Oh, our pets come to fight too, which might not be a good idea. I mean, what can I do? To be honest, I don't know. Oh dearie. I can't really control the fights, can I? Because I mean, I can control them, but not really. Yeah, I might be in trouble here. Yeah, I think I am. Oh, I lost. Now how? Oh, I can add more people to my thingy. Let's do these guys. What? Oh. Wait, so when you add a person, do they automatically come fight with you? Like if however many people you have in your tribe? Oh. I'm gonna go add one of these dudes, I guess, because why not? Why is there a bone there? I didn't really. I can eat them? I should eat them. I will win, because they're not even at the same stage as me, are they? Oh. What? I know, I see, but what do I do? Because they're strong. Alright, I got him. This guy didn't die, he just got really close to it. Okay, now I'm gonna go finish eating these dudes. Alright. I think I just wiped out their whole species. This guy just comes to war with a platter. I think that's less than all I can get. Wild animals are coming to steal my food. Well, I do not appreciate that, so please don't. Well, no, it doesn't appear that they are. So, how do you reckon? Okay, I don't care. Ah, you cheeky buggers. That was easy. Are there more? Are we eating it? Just laughing hysterically at nothing. Huh?
Said you gotta go for a reason.
Oh my. That's not good. Well, yeah it is. But shut up. Hey, wait a minute. What are these guys doing? Hey, they're over here now. Reckon I should attack them. What is that? Well, maybe not. I have more people than them. So should I just attack the one guy to start? Oh wow, that's not right. Oh! Oh my god, what is that? Perhaps I should let them deal with that thing first. Wow. What is that? Alright, I'm gonna attack him. Let's go, guys. I'm just about sick of these boys. Ha ha ha. They are ugly too. Let's not forget. That looks like a Pokemon dude. It's a Mew. Alright, we'll attack you guys then. Oh my. Oh my god, this is gonna take ages. Man, I have to attack all of that. God. It's a flying fish. That works. Oh hey, how'd you get here? There's two guys. Uh-oh, there's more guys. Help, help, help. Alright, nice. First time we ever destroyed a tribe. Nice. Okay then, hi there. You've destroyed the Brown Village. Your totem grows, and new tools and outfits have been looted from the fallen tribe and added to your tribe planner. Very good. It is big boy now. I'm going to make more baby. Your tribe grows in prestige. You have a larger hut to show for it, and your tribe can now sustain up to 9 tribe members. Okay then. Well, that's nice. Good for us. So I think I'll end the video here after our first successful elimination. And what is this synced up march going on there? So anyway, make sure to like, subscribe, check out my other videos, and of course check out my Instagram @FiberBunny. No capitals, no spaces as usual. And thanks for watching.